In this video, I'm going to show you how to make half square triangles. Hi there and welcome to my channel. I do videos every single Wednesday on how to use your sewing machine and simple sewing tips and tricks. To make half square triangles, you are going to need 2 squared pieces of fabric. These measure 3 inches, but it's up to you how big or small you want your half square triangles to be. I also have this ruler which I find very handy, and I'll show you the reason why. Not only does it allow you to line up your square of fabric right up to 6 inches, it also allows us to put our placement markers on our corners, and I'll show you how to do that now. So you're going to get your 2 pieces of fabric and you're going to place them right sides together like so. Make sure they're lined up equally. Now I'm going to be using a marker that's bright so you can see what I'm doing. So basically what I'm going to do is get this line lined up to the quarter, this black line here, and then I'm going to mark with my marker 1/4 inch away from the centre. Now I've turned it around. I'm going to line the black mark from corner to corner, and then once again mark my fabric 1/4 inch away from the corner. Now we're going to take this to the sewing machine and we are going to sew right along these lines here. Now I have brought my stitch length in a bit so it's a little bit shorter. Now I'm just going to stitch all the way along. This side is all stitched. I've just flipped it around and I'm going to sew along this line. So now I have both lines stitched, and I'm going to cut with my rotary cutter right at the corners. With this method you're going to end up with 2 half square triangles, and we're going to open this up and we're going to give it a press. End up with something like this. Just cut off the dog ears. What I want you to bear in mind now is the end measurement of your half square triangle is not going to be 3 inches. Remember, that's what it started off as. So whatever the measurement of half square triangle is that you need, just be mindful that you're going to lose 1/2 inch. So as you can see here, this was 3 inches when we first started and it's now 2.5 inches. So bear that in mind when you're creating your projects. So don't forget, I create videos every single Wednesday, so don't forget, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss seeing me next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.